हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द IS IPS फैक्ट्री। आज का हमारा डेली डोज 4 है फॉर OWS। हम कवर कर रहे हैं वन वर्ड सब्सटीट्यूशन फ्रॉम ब्लैक बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट है कैरिब्रल, दिमागी, समथिंग दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द ब्रेन और इंटेलेक्ट इज कॉल्ड कैरिबल। कैरोग्राफी, मोम पर नक्काशी का काम करना। आर्ट ऑफ डिजाइनिंग और वैक्सिंग और राइटिंग ऑन वैक्स इज कॉल्ड कैरोग्राफी। कैफ, रगड़ कर गरमाना। Rub a part of the body to restore warmth or sensation is called cap. Cough, bhusha. The husk of corn or other grain separated by winnowing or threshing is called cough. Next is chagrin. Chagrin means विफलता, निराशा की वजह से शर्मिंदगी महसूस करना। Vexation for humiliation or disappointment is called chagrin. Change, परिवर्तन. Replacing something with something else is called change. Changeling, बदला हुआ बच्चा. A child who is believed to have been secretly left in exchange for another is called changeling. Chapel, छोटा गिरजाघर. A small building room used for Christian worship in a school, prison, large private house, etc. is called chapel. करिश्मा, करिश्मा means आकर्षण. Compelling attractiveness or charm that can inspire or influence others is called charisma. Charisma और charmistic, आकर्षक. Exercising a compelling charm which inspire devotion in others is called charmistic. Charlatan, ढोंगी. A person falsely claiming to have a special knowledge or skill is called charlatan. Chase, पीछा करना. Run after in door to catch or catch up with is called chase. Chas, chasm, गहरी खाई. A deep fissure in the earth's surface is called chasm. Chassis, ढांचा. A base frame of car or other wheel vehicle is called chassis. Chastise, फटकारना. To criticize someone severely is called chastise. Chauffeur, chauffeur means motor चालक. A person employed to drive a private or hired car is called chauffeur. Chiromancy, हस्तरेखा विद्या. Palm reading is called chiromancy. Chayor, गायक मंडली. A group of singers in a church is called chayor. Chore, दैनिक काम. A routine task, especially a household one, is called chore. Choreographer, नृत्य निर्देशक. One who plans the steps and moves in a dance is called choreographer. Chronic, दीर्घ और स्थायी. A disease persisting for a long time or recurring again and again is called chronic. Chronicle, कालक्रम से अभिलेखन. A factual written account of important or historical events in order to their occurrence is called chronicle. Chronology, तिथि क्रम के अनुसार the order of their occurrence is called chronology. Chronological and chronology, कालक्रम. An arrangement of events or date in the order of their occurrence is called chronology. Chronometer, बिल्कुल ठीक समय बताने वाली घड़ी. An instrument for measuring time accurately in spite of motion or variation in temperature, humidity and air pressure is called chronometer. अगला है chivalrous. Chivalrous means अभद्र, rude in a mean, spirited and shyly way is called chivalrous. Zap, दुस्साहस, extremes all self confidence or audacity is called zap. Circumlocution is called शब्द बाहुल्य, बहुत सारे शब्दों का प्रयोग. The use of many words where only a few are necessary is called circumlocution. Circumstantial पारिस्थितिक clues available at a scene is called circumstantial. अगला है citadel, किला या गढ़. A fortress, typical one on high ground above a city is called citadel. Clamber, हाथ पैर के बल से चढ़ाई करना. Climb or move with difficulty or a lot of effort, typically using one's hand and feet, is called clamber. Clamorous, kolahalpurn, making a loud and confused noise, is called clamorous. Clamor, कोलाहल या शोर, a loud appeal or demand is called clamor. क्लिस्ट्रोफोबिया, छोटी जगह में होने का अत्यधिक डर. An extreme fear of being in a small confined place is called claustrophobia. Clientele, ग्राहकगण. Clientele means ग्राहकगण. All the customers of a business is called clientele. Cloakroom, सामान कक्ष. A room in public building where outdoor clothes and luggage may be left is called cloakroom. Cluck, मुर्गी की आवाज, the sound made by a hen is called cluck. Coast, समुद्र तट. Land beside a sea is called coast. Cobweb, मकड़ी का जाला. A spider's home is called cobweb. Cockpit, वायुयान चालक कक्ष. A small compartment in an aircraft for the pilot is called cockpit. Cocktail, मिश्रित शराब. A drink usually made from a mixture of one or more alcoholic drinks is called cocktail. Codicil, वसीयतनामे की बात का परिवर्तन पत्र क्या कहलाता है? Codicil, an instrument that is added later to a will, usually to change a part of it, is called codicil. Coerce, बलपूर्वक विवश करना. To restrain or compel a person to do something by force is called coerce. Coercion, जोर जबरदस्ती. Use of force or threats to get someone to agree to something is called coercion. Coffer, तिजोरी. A strong box or small chest for holding valuables is called coffer. Coffle, गुलामों का काफिला. A collection of slaves is called coffle. Coincidence, संयोग. A remarkable concurrence of events or circumstance without apparent causal connection is called coincidence. Colleague, सहकर्मी. A person that one work with at the same place in a profession or a business is called colleague. Colloquy, वार्तालाप. Mutual discourse is called colloquy. Collusion, मिलीभगत. A secret agreement especially in order to do something dishonest or deceive people is called collusion. Colony, बस्ती. A group of ants is called colony. Colossus, विशाल मूर्ति. A gigantic statue is called colossus. Commemorate, स्मरण करना. To keep a great person or event in people's memory is called commemorate. Commission, dalali. Money given to agent on sales is called commission. Communication, sanchar. An act of exchanging information is called communication. Compassion, daya ya anukampa. To have a strong feeling of sympathy with a desire to help is called compassion. Competitive, compatriots. So these Vasi people who belong to the same country is called compatriots. Next is compare, कार्यक्रम उद्घोषक. A person who introduced the performers or contestants in a variety show is called compare. Complacent, आत्मसंतुष्ट. Satisfied with no desire to change or improve is called complacent. Compliment, पूरक. To make perfect or complete is called compliment. नेक्स्ट है कॉम्प्लीमेंट, प्रशंसा. ये कंफ्यूजिंग वर्ड है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट ई है, इसमें आई है, बस इतना ही अंतर है. A remark that express approval or admiration is called compliment. कॉम्प्लीमेंट और कॉम्प्लीमेंट में अंतर याद रखना. ये जो एरर डिटेक्ट करने के लिए वर्ड्स आते हैं उसमें ऐसे ही स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक कर देते हैं जिसे हमें डिटेक्ट करना होता है. कंपोजिटर, प्रिंट से पहले शब्दों या वाक्यों को व्यवस्थित करने वाला. वन हु सेट टाइप्स ऑफ बुक्स, न्यूज़पेपर एक्सेट्रा. Compunction, पश्चाताप. A feeling of guilt or moral scruple that prevents or follow the doing of something bad is called compunction. Conceited, अभिमानी. Having too much pride in yourself or and what you do is called conceited. conceivable, कल्पनीय, capable of being imagined or grasped mentally is called conceivable, concentric, सकेंद्रित, so having a common center as circles or spheres is called concentric, concubinage, बिना विवाह के साथ रहना, living together of a man and woman without being married to each other is called concubinage, condominium, फ्लैट की तरह का घर, an apartment building in which each apartment is owned separately by the people living in it but also containing shared areas is called condominium. Condone, माफ करना, forgive or pardon some wrongdoing or an offense is called condone. Confectioner, मिठाई बेचने वाला, a company or person that makes or sells sweet or chocolate is called confectioner. Confess, कबूल करना, to own up to something as true is called confess. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, अब इसे एक विशेष आकृति में तत्वों की व्यवस्था, an arrangement of parts or element in a particular form or figure is called configuration. confiscate, जब्त करना, to officially take something away from somebody is called confiscate. conflagrant, जलता हुआ, combustibles, flammable is called conflagrant. confluence, संगम, place where two or more rivers meet is called confluence. Conformist, स्वीकृत व्यवहार या स्थापित प्रथाओं के अनुरूप, a person who conforms to accepted behavior or stabilized practices is called conformist. Congenial, जन्मजात, pertaining to an individual form of birth is called congenial. Conglomerate, कंपनियों का समूह, a corporation made up of a number of different companies that operate in diversified field is called conglomerate. Congregation, धार्मिक सभा, an assembly of worshippers, a group of people who have come together in a religious building for worship and prayer is called congregation. Conjecture, निराधार कल्पना, an opinion or conclusion formed on the basis of incomplete information is called conjecture. Connoisseur, विशेषज्ञ या पारखी, a man who knows a lot about things like food, music and art is called connoisseur. Conscience, जमीर, अंतरात्मा, feeling inside you which tell you what is right and what is wrong. Conscientious, कर्तव्यनिष्ठ, one who does one's work thoroughly and seriously is called conscientious. Conscription, अनिवार्य सैन्य भर्ती, compulsory enlistment for military service is called conscription. Conservation, प्राकृतिक संरक्षण, a careful preservation and protection of wildlife is in need of the hour is called conservation. Conservative, रूढ़िवादी या अपरिवर्तनवादी, opposed to great or sudden change is called conservative. Console, सांत्वना देना, comfort someone at a time of grief or disappointment is called console. Conspiracy, षड्यंत्र, a secret plan made to do something usually wrong is called conspiracy. Constellation, nakshatra, a group of stars that form a shape in the sky and has a name is called constellation. Consternation, घबराहट, state of anxiety and dismay causing mental confusion is called consternation. Constrained, विवश किया हुआ, imposed a restriction on is called constraint. Consummate, उत्कृष्ट, extremely skilled is called consummate. Contagion, contagious भी होता है इसका एक, तो contagion means संक्रामक. The situation in which a disease is spread by touching someone or something is called contagion. Contagious, संक्रामक, especially spread from a person to another. A disease which is spread with contact is called contagious. Contaminated, दूषित, something that made impure by exposure to polluting substances is called contaminated. Contemporary, समकालीन, belonging to the same time or a person living in the same age with another is called contemporary. Contented, संतुष्ट, someone who is satisfied with the life in is journal is called contented. Contiguous, निकटवर्ती, touching along the side or boundary is called contiguous. Contingency, आकस्मिकता, an event that may or may not happen is called contingency. Contraband, वर्जित सामग्री, prohibited by law or treaty from being imported or exported is called contraband. Convalescence is called बीमारी से ठीक होना. Gradual recovery of health and illness is called convalescence. Convent, मठ, a place where nuns live and work is called convent. Convey, काफिला, convey काफिला, a group of vehicles traveling together, typically one accompanied by armed troops is called convoy. Coronation, राज तिलक करना, ceremony of crowning a king is called coronation. Corpus, संग्रह या पुस्तक संग्रह, collection of written or spoken text is called corpus. Corroborate, पुष्टि करना, to confirm with help of evidence is called corroborate. तो इस तरह हो गए हमारे OWS dildos 4 complete. तो आप इसे रिवाइज कर लेना. ठीक है, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. बाय बाय.